You've tried multiple LLM models like ChatGPT, and I'm sure you're impressed by the ability of the model to answer your questions. You probably wondered how it would be like if Gen AI had the access to your data. Ideally, you want ChatGPT or other Gen AI model to leverage the data you have without uploading all your private documents to some website on the internet. Wouldn't it be great if you can use your secure cloud or local storage and ask the Gen AI to use this data in answering your questions? In this demo, we'll show you how this can be done using RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Basically, what we'll be doing is the following. We're reading all the files under a specific directory defined in my configuration file. In this demo, it's going to be on my local drive. So it'll be all the files under this folder. And I put 3 here, one about business travel expenses, one specific proposal, and one document in Arabic to show the capability of covering multiple languages. And I can add as many files as I want in that folders. Then I'm going to run my code. I'm going to run my program, and it's going to basically read those files one by one, take a chunk of data, and send them and convert them into a vector. It, basically a number presentation of this text, and store them in the database. Now, if your data is already in a database like Oracle database, then you can store the vector, the number presentation in the same database. Also, you can use vector database like Postgres and Chroma. Then, once you do that, you're ready to ask questions about your data, and your Gen AI model is going to use the enriched content that you created to answer these questions. And if the answer is not within that content, it's going to use its own knowledge base, that the public one that you normally use. So first, let's try this business travel expense policy and procedure by one of the companies. This is a document I found online. And let me ask a question about this document. Let's say, can I use my personal car for a business trip? It says, yes, employees can use their personal car for business trip and give the rates for reimbursement. And this should be somewhere in the document here. The rates 30. So let me try another question. Which employees are covered by the business travel policy? The business travel policy covers all network-related employees except those who transfer under so on and so on. And if you just show those employees who transferred, so with the exception, policy applies across the whole network with the person. So it's able to get to the answer from the documents that you provided. Now let me show you an example if we ask questions in a different language, like the Arabic language. Now the difficulty about the Arabic language is it's right from right to left. So it's not going to show properly on this terminal, but I'm going to show you how it will be like here. So the Arabic document is about stories about a fisherman who went on a fishing trip and got a shark fish. So I'm going to ask, what's the type of fish? That the fisherman got. Now, if I put it here, you'll be see it properly. It's right properly because it can write from right to left. Now, this terminal cannot write right from left, so the words are displaced, but it's still the model can still understand it and answer it. And the answer is just displayed in the wrong way, but I can copy and paste it here. And it said it's a big shark fish, which is what it says here is in the story. So it can answer English questions, actually Arabic questions about the documents that I have. And let me ask something that's not in the document. For example, tell me a joke. Now, this gave me a joke in Arabic. Said there's no joke in the existing document. Give me a joke outside the document. What do you call a joke that doesn't work? So let me ask another thing. For example, what who invented who are the top inventors of all time? Now, for example, here I don't have this information in my documents, but able to go and pick that up from from the regular knowledge base that has as we would do in a normal chat. Thank you.